Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will tell you the difference between a face toner and a face mist. So I make videos on skincare and makeup topics. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. You can see the subscribe button below. Please hit that and also hit bell icon for regular updates. So let's start. Okay, so I personally use this toner. It's a Dermafake All Skin Toner, and this one is a face mist. This is by Plum, Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn face mist. I really like this one, and toner I keeps on changing. Currently I'm using this. So there are three major difference between a face mist and a toner. The first difference is that the toner helps you to clean your pore and just reduce or shrink your pores over a period of time, and also helps to maintain a pH balance of your skin. But face mist just helps to hydrate or moisturize your skin, and it does not work on pores. So that is the major difference between these two. Now the second difference is the order in which it should be applied. So as you all know about the CTM routine, which is cleaning, toning and moisturizing. So toner should always be used after face wash. That is, after you wash your face, you should take the toner on a cotton and then apply all over face. Don't just spray the toner all over your face, because its main purpose is to remove dirt from your pores, and unless you apply it with a cotton, it won't work to its optimum capacity. So that is how you will use the toner. Then you can use the moisturizer, and you can prep your skin and do the makeup and apply the face mist in the end. Whether you are applying makeup or you're just leaving your skin, but face mist should be applied in the end. Now the frequency of using these two things. So toner should be applied twice a day. That is, once in the morning when you are following your morning skincare routine, and second is in the night when you are following your night skincare routine, and both the times after using the face wash. But face mist you can use innumerable times, like whenever you are feeling like your skin is getting dry and you just need a quench of hydration. You can always go for face mist, even if that's like within a span of 1 hour. Now a lot of people get confused and think that face mist can be used in place of face toner, but as you have already understood from my explanation, that is not true, and you cannot use face mist and face toner. Toner works completely different. So these are the three differences between a face mist and a toner, based on its purpose, second based on the order of application, and third the frequency of application. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and families in case they also find it helpful. So that's it for today. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.